علي الحمادي.
هلا براذر.
شعورك من سجلة الهدف الأول؟
براذر وحش بالإنجليزي حتى ما أبي أحلف أفكر بالعربي.
عربي إنجليزي. زيدان راح يشاركنا همية.
حبيبي والله what an amazing feeling. The people deserve this joy. I'm just so happy for everyone. I'm so happy.
أنت سمعت الجمهور شو يقول عنك البوليفي؟
لا.
زين ليش جو أخذوا وياك صور؟
البوليفي ما أعرف.
هو أنا أريد أعرف ليش أخذوا وياك صور؟
ما أعرف والله ما أعرف.
يقولون شلون قدر ياخذ هاي الرأسية من بين مدافعينه؟ شلون قدر تاخذها؟
I don't know. God gave it to me. No, honestly, bro, alhamdulillah. I'm so happy for everyone. I hope everybody enjoys tonight. تستاهلون الفرحة. Go celebrate.
Go do whatever you want to do tonight. Go do it. Just do whatever you want.
Anything you want today, go.
Wallah, I think everything today should be legal.
والله اليوم حتى.
Just do whatever you want. Just nothing illegal.
There's nothing illegal.
Nah, there's two things illegal, but other than that, go enjoy, go party, go crazy.
I will give the microphone for one. Who would take it and make the interviews today? You or him or Marco or what?
Dosky, yeah.
Dosky?
Yeah, he's back there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Marco, tell me about your assist to Ayman. How you see Ayman? How can you saw Ayman?
It's a connection, of course. But I first wanted to see Ali, but he went to the back post, and then I saw Ayman run everything to get to the first post. So yeah, nice.
So now, what is your message for Iraqi fans after that goal?
We did it. خلاص. Alhamdulillah.
I want you song today. I want to hear your voice. Now give me a song. I hear you song.
No
no song.